place to park. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is something really different to what I normally do. I'm really not too sure how this is going to turn out because of the low light, and I'm filming everything on a GoPro. So I'm going to be heading out. I'm just going to go for a drive in the dark, just see what's about and take you guys along with me. Who knows what we're going to see tonight. This is a nasty junction. I hope my front lip doesn't scrape. We're good. The first place I've got to stop tonight is the Shell garage again. I always seem to be in this place. I've said in the previous videos as well. This car just seems to be eating fuel. Back in the Shell garage. So it's officially confirmed. The woman in the Shell garage just said, I'm always there. And if she thinks you're always there, it's most probs because you're always there. I seem to be going through V-power as if it's water. But never mind. Smiles per gallon. That's what I keep telling myself anyways. So the plan for today is just to meet some friends, go for a drive, and just see what we can see. Let's see if we can spot any Golf Rs, but I highly doubt it because I come from an area where there isn't many. There are a few Golf Rs around by me. There's not many. You do see one or two. There is a tornado red one, and that's quite annoying, but I guess a Golf R is pretty common, and that's why I've got to make mine look different. Try and stand out to the rest. Until Ultimate Dubs that is, and Golf Rs are gonna be absolutely everywhere. Sometimes this auto handbrake just grabs way too much. Am I the only one that experiences that? Is it only my car, or is it just Golf Rs in general? So I thought it wouldn't have taken long. I have now got a Fiesta behind me. The one in front of me is my friend, but the one behind me I think is just like a Z-Tag. It's got a pair of HIDs and it's trying to touch my bumper. So I'm not going to be wasting any sort of fuel on someone like that. There is absolutely no point. I'm really don't know where I'm going. I'm just driving about. I haven't got a clue where to go, what to do, but I thought I'd give you guys my point of view when I'm driving the R. But you never know, maybe some of you guys are actually interested. So I washed my car today and the roads are horrible. The amount of grit on these roads. They haven't just heavy gritted it. There's a difference between heavy gritting and just out and out dropping your load everywhere. There he goes in his Fiesta ST 180. This is the car that I made a video on. We did fit an induction kit on it today, Forge Motorsport one, and it's been on the channel before. It was like a sound video. It's had a Miltech Sport from the cat back. It was a non-res system, and then he didn't like how quiet it was because it was really quiet. He then went with EMP Performance and had a back box delete, but now the car's actually drawn in really bad. And I know he's probably watching this. The drone is it's loud. It's drawn in quite a bit. But he says he's going to EMP Performance next month. He's going to be getting rid of the cat and putting a resonator back in it. So if any of you guys were interested in the Fiesta in front, now you know. So now I think it's a good time to speak to you guys about some of you guys which are subscribers. Now I have been getting a lot of messages through Instagram and quite a bit in the comment section. It's great to see people commenting and direct messaging me questions, and then I let them know what I got. I try and help them out the best as I can, and they go ahead and actually get like a Remus back box or get some APR software or anything like that. I think that's really, really cool how some of you guys are actually coming to me, asking me questions, and then going out and buying these parts. That's the whole reason why I do this, is to help you guys out, new people. It's absolutely awesome. And if I see any of you guys up Ultimate Dubs and you actually come on to me, don't be shocked if I'm a bit shocked myself, because that would be absolutely crazy for people recognizing me over these little YouTube videos what I do on this tiny little channel. I was in work the other day and somebody asked how my YouTube was going, and I'm still quite shocked with that, how people are actually finding these videos. He loves making noise. He absolutely loves it. Him up big time. I will never ever get bored of that sound. I think I said it earlier. I will never get bored of that. So much fun, but I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to be getting on people's nerves. You can't really hear the R600 intake in this car in the cabin, only when you're in eco mode. But from the outside, in any mode, especially race mode, you can really hear it. Look at this guy. I don't know what goes through people's heads. He just went over a speed bump as if it was nothing, as if it was just, well, nothing there. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video. I really do apologise for the lighting and the poor quality. I'm really not sure what this looks like, and I do apologise for me ramming on. I feel as if I'm just rambling now, so I'm going to end the video here. Let me know what you think of this style of video. This was just something that I quickly thought up because I was running late today after work and I didn't have much daylight to work with. And talking about daylight, when the summer comes in and the late nights start coming in, more videos will be coming. I'll most definitely be putting more videos up through the week. I'll have more time after work and I can concentrate on making more videos for you guys, because I try and make them as interesting as possible, and I do want to entertain you guys. I don't just want you guys to watch me rambling on, which I really do apologise if that's the case for this video. But anyways, leave a comment down below if any of you guys are going to help my Debs, because I'll be going on the Saturday and Sunday. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.